Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you solve WhatsApp banned my number, this account has been banned problem. So if you want to solve this problem, at first just go to Play Store and search for WhatsApp. After searching WhatsApp, if you find any update here, just update it immediately. And here you can see app support, just click on it and click on website here. If your problem isn't solved yet, just click this three dash icon beside the top left and click on this option help center. Now after that, just scroll here and here you can see there is option contact us, click on it. Now again click on contact us from here. Now in the phone number, just give your phone number and confirm it. And in the email address, just give your email address and confirm it again. Select your device and after that in the description box just type this: "Hi WhatsApp team, I have received the message this account is not allowed to use due to spam. Please help me to solve this problem, thanks." Now after that just click the bottom next. Now all you need to do is just click on send question in the bottom, and after that WhatsApp authority will help you through sending you an email, and in that email you need to just follow some steps. So guys, that's how you can solve the problem. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.